In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Conversations AI. Do you service brakes? Let's see what it says back. It says, yes, we do offer brake service, including inspections, rotor replacement, and more. By the way, what's your name? This works well with the chat widget where you can actually set it up so they respond to FAQ questions that you've already taught the AI agent, so it can respond for you on your behalf through the chat widget in the bottom right. If you want to see how this fits into your entire auto repair system, website setup that we're talking about, we got a link below, a full tutorial of how to do that. Have your favorite drink. We got ours here, Ollie Pop, Crisp Apple. All right, let's jump into it. I'm into Conversations AI. Create a bot. We'll just do that one for now. Do appointment booking or Q&A. Let's do. Now the preferred channels is going to be talking about so when you're using this, do you want AI to respond on all these different channels? We're going to say no to Facebook and Instagram. Today we just want to use it for live chat widget, or SMS. A bot name, we were calling it John bot. We'll just call him. Wait 2 seconds till we're responding. Say, hey, how can I help you? Click next. Let's skip questions. Ask for name, email. If they've already told us this, we don't need to ask them again. And we'll save that. Suggestive or autopilot. So suggestive means if you're on there, it's going to say how you can reply back to the customer. We want autopilot. We want it to respond for us. Save that. All right. Now we got to set up a knowledge base here. So the easiest way to do this was just grab the business name that we're using here today. JC Automotive Services. And this doesn't matter as much. We'll talk about this later. Auto repair shop. Create. And now the best way, there's different ways you can pull the content. You can add in Google Docs, FAQs, different information. You can crawl their website. That's what we're going to do today. So we'll go in and we'll copy their homepage, and then the AI is going to read everything on their homepage. So paste that. We'll just do the exact URL today, extract data. So it's going to think a little bit here. So what it's doing is it's going through their homepage here. It's reading about all their content here to find out more information. We could take a little more information if we want to do about their service pages. They have some good information on there that we could pull from to explain more about what they do. So once that's done, I'm going to fast forward here because it's going to take a little bit to do that. Oh, it's done. So it only took like a minute. So we trained the AI bot on that. We can add more URLs. So if we want to do the repair shop, we could do that also here. Add source. So we're going to crawl 2 pages now. So the home page and the repair page, service page. Then we have some information on the website, and we can actually test out the AI chat widget to see how it responds. All right, that one's complete now. We're going to go in and show you how you can actually have a conversation with it here and test it out. Here, we put a little bit of information. So it's John Bond, what we're calling it. We don't need WhatsApp on there for today. And maximum entries, we're going to say 10 times with that person. The worst thing you need is a bot talking to another bot, and it just eats up all talking back and forth here. So we're going to say wait 2 seconds. Respond back up to 10 messages. You can actually do response with images and voice notes and all different kinds of stuff, which is kind of crazy. But we're just going to do 10 messages for this one person that's trying to contact with. We'll click save. Go to bot training here. We should see that it has the knowledge base we have to select that we just created. So automotive center there. We'll save that. Do you service brakes? Let's see what it says back. So now it's going to look through the knowledge base that we created, those 2 web pages that we crawled. It says, yes, we do offer brake service, including inspections, rotor replacement, and more. By the way, what's your name? So here's what you would say. So I didn't fill out the forms it's asking me, so I say Mark. So it's going to go through those questions that we asked it already there. And so this is where it has its goals, what to try to answer the user's questions. Also remember our link below, 30-day free trial. Just do it yourself and build the website. Or if you'd like us to build it for you, you can also reach out to us directly through our contact form, our website down below. There's another link there. Or just leave us a message and we'll reach out to you.